Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you answer the question how to fix that your AMAZFIT UP earbuds automatically start or pause music. So actually this is a very easy issue to fix. At first take both earbuds out of the case and check if here near these buttons you have any like dirt, or if they are clickable, if they aren't broken or something like that. Here and here, if they aren't broken, you need to go to wait a moment, steering is enabled on my device. Now you need to go to your device application Zepp and disable the gesture for the pause and play of the music. If this gesture is disabled, you won't have the you won't have the music paused or played automatically. And apart from that, you can just check before disabling this option, you can check if the player isn't the issue. Try changing the player, try uninstalling it and installing it back again. Try verifying the internet connection if it's bad or if it's good. If it's bad, you need to just connect to the Wi-Fi network, other Wi-Fi network. And if it's bad into your cellular, just try to use Wi-Fi. It's because it's quite common for the players itself, like Spotify, like Apple Music, like Tidal, to have it broken. So don't worry, just try checking it out. If the gesture is disabled, there is no way to have your earbuds start or pause music because there is no in-ear detection, so your earbuds aren't broken. The issue is player or these buttons or the internet connection. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.